And here we go with the classic intersection problem. So I'm going to draw this as we read it. So a man is driving north. So here's our man. We're driving north at a rate of 17 meters per second. So we'll call this length. We don't know what it is, x. The rate, dx dt, is 17, we'll label it down here, meters per second. All right, he sees a railroad track 20 meters ahead of him. Oh, which means we do know this length. So this is 20. That is perpendicular to the road, and it's traveling east. So here's our train traveling this way. And the man determines with the radar gun that the engine, right here, the engine, is 35 meters from him. So we'll call this length Z. We'll say this is 35 meters. The distance between his car and the engine is increasing at a rate of 5 meters per second. So this is dz dt is equal to 5 meters per second. We want to know what's the speed of the train. So if this is y, what is dy dt? Well, first, we can find y because by using Pythagorean theorem. So I'll just give that to you. So y is equal to, so if you use like z squared minus x squared and then take the square root of that, that'll get you y. And that is 28.723. 28.723. Now we have a whole bunch of numbers. We just have to find this dy dt. So all these numbers relate together by the Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus y squared equals z squared. And if we take the derivative of all of that, we get 2x times dx dt plus 2y times dy dt equals 2z times dz dt. And we know all of these variables except for dy dt, which is what we're trying to find. So 2x is 20. That rate is, negative 17, sorry, because this distance is closing. So do 20 times negative 17 plus 2y is 28.723. And then dy dt, we don't know, equals 2 times 35 times 5. 35 is z, and 5 is dz dt. And now it's just a simplifying game. So 2 times 20 times negative 17 is negative 680. 80 plus 2 times 28.723 is 57.446. dy dt equals 2 times 35 times 5 is 350. So we add 680 to both sides, then divide by 57.446, and we get dy dt is equal to 17.93 meters per second. And that is the rate of the train, the speed of the train.